okay. I will help you. I will help you. Good morning, guys. We are going down to the beach today and we're going to have a little swim, meet up with my friend Kim and her little boy, and have a really nice day. So this has been the first... I will help you, baby. This has been the first day that the sun's been out in a long time, and it's going to be 27 degrees today, so we're excited. So a little backstory, me and Kim, we grew up together since we were about 5, I would say, maybe a little bit younger, and now our kids get to grow up together as well, so it's really kind of special. So we're going to hang out and yeah, let our boys have a little swim. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. Looks super cute today. Ready? It's going to be a crab. Ready? Go. Go. Oh, the seagulls. So many. Oh, so cute. Yeah. What are they? What are they called? Seagulls. They're coming to see you. If you stand nice and still, they might come and see you. They might. You wave to them? It's like rain. You show Hunter the water. Are you coming, Hunter? He's coming. Oh, look at your happy face.
It is cold.
Look at you. Oh.
Splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. It's like a bath, but freezing.
Oh, here comes the waves. Splash. What do you think, Hunter? You're a bit chilly.
Is it cold? Should we take another step?
Oh, you're going with big guns. Copy Mama. There's Zaya. Are you in the beach?
Yeah.
Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so fun. It's so freezing.
I'm trying to have a sip.
Okay. Go. Ready? Set. Go. Go, be brave. No? You don't want to be brave? Ready? Hi, Kim. Yeah.
It doesn't feel that cold now.
It's good once you're in. He's loving it. Splash, splash. Ooh, feeling brave.
Look at you, baby.
He's got the shivers.
Oh my god.
Wow, buddy, look at you. You're brave.
You're very brave.
Loving life.
Yes, splash, splash.
Do a big splash.
You splashing?
Are you cold, Bubba?
I'm not cold.
You sure? You in ready for some lunch? I got it right here.
Always ready for food.
Oh, because they don't have them over there.
They've got them, but they're about 3 times that size. I was like, it's a seagull. I was like, what a pissy bloody seagull. And then when I was in Scotland, I saw a seagull and I was like, oh. No wonder you think ours are.
Crappy.
They're literally like 3 times the size.
I'm going backwards. Comes the waves. Splush. Oh, it's cold again. Oh, freezing. It's so cold. Does your bucket float? Oh, you lost your shovel. Where is it? Whoopsie. Oh no! You're so brave now, aren't you? Amazing what a bit of food does. It does float. Quick, Bobby! Oh, did you taste it? You drank it. Got that, Hunter. Catch him! Ah! Quick! Yay! Is it cold?
Like a floating.
Are you floating, are you?
When it's floating.
Where's your bucket?
They're floating.
Oh, quick, go get them!
Lifesaver on the making. Oh, too deep.
Get them?
They're floating away.
Mummy will get them for you. On your bum. Uh-oh.
Are there some digging?
Sure.
Are there some digging? Oh. There's some digging. Give it one. There was a big dig.
Yeah, it was a big dig.
Yes, there was a big dig. This has been fun. How close that hunter? New Grand Beach.
Here comes the little beach babe. Hi.
And he's off again. Uh-oh. Whoops, wobbly.
dig, Hunter? Was that fun?
This was fun in beach.
Yeah, what did you do in the beach?
Just swimming beach.
You did swimming. And what else did you do?
I just play Kim and Hunter.
You did play with Kim and Hunter. It was so much fun. We're just having a little rest and having something to eat. Yeah, it's been so fun. Okay guys, so we are back from the beach. Isaiah fell asleep as soon as the car started moving, which was cute. But yeah, I sun creamed my child up, but I forgot about myself. So yeah, whoopsie. So I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'm going to, oh yeah, so good. Whoops. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, clean off all the salt water and just have a soak, refresh the skin, and then I'll show you the oil protocol that I do on my sunburn. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm out of the shower. I didn't have the water too hot for obvious reasons, but yeah, it's looking pretty angry. So I want to show you what I use essential oil wise to support our skin after we're in the sun. So first thing I do is straight out the shower is I use this hand and body moisturizer from doTERRA. It is so nice. So it's unfragranced so that you can add oils to it to make your own fragrance or whatever you want to use it for. In this case it's going to be to support my skin. So I get a pump of that into my hand and I add a couple of drops of frankincense. Frankincense I add to it because it's really good for supporting your skin after being in the sun. So any cellular damage that happens, you can support it with the frankincense, and it helps with the repair of the skin as well. Other one I use is lavender. So I use lavender because it's really soothing to the skin, and obviously this is going to get really red and sore and feel like it's burning. At the moment it feels okay, but when it starts to get sore and even itchy, that will be when lavender will be very supportive. So lavender goes in, and also we add a couple of drops of peppermint essential oil because peppermint is super duper cooling. So if you haven't used peppermint before, it's a really cooling effect when you put it on the skin. So that just helps when it's red and angry and hot, just to cool it down, and it helps to stop the burn going deeper. So we add peppermint oil in there as well. Now I also like to add a couple of drops of jojoba oil as well. I love this brand at the moment. Come on camera, focus. So the jojoba oil, I'll link it below anyway, you can't see it. But this is really good in supporting skin as well. So I'll just add a little pump of that to it as well. And yeah, I will show you how to do that. I'm a hot mess right now, so straight out the shower. I'm just going to tie my hair up so I don't get my hair in the cream. But we take the hand body lotion and we put a pump of that into my hand. Take all the lids off the oils. So then I add the essential oils to that as well. So frankincense I will do 2 or 4. That came out really fast. Lavender 2, aim for 2, and peppermint will be 2 as well. So 2, and then a pump of the jojoba oil in there just like that. Rub it together in your hands and apply that straight to the sunburn. So when my husband gets home, he's going to have a job because I'm not going to be able to get it all. I'll do this side as well because it's a bit angry, and down the front. So that's so cooling already. It feels divine. But yeah, that will help with the support of the skin, and the hand and body lotion will also help to keep keep the hydration in the skin as well, so it doesn't start dying off and peeling. So that's what we kind of want to avoid if we can. Another thing we also do is I have this little sun spray. So this is from our holiday in Bali, and then I've just attached a spray bottle. So this is actually a empty essential oil bottle that I've repurposed, and you can buy the spray tops and just pop them straight on the top. So then you don't have to throw them out, you're recycling, it's a lot more sustainable, which is what I'm all about. So what we do in here is we add those exact same oils that I just put into that rub. So we got frankincense. I'm going to put 10 drops of frankincense in here. I'm going to put 10 drops of lavender as well. And half the amount of peppermint, so 5 drops of peppermint. 5. So you can see in the bottle there, it doesn't equate to much, because less is more when it comes to oil use. So yeah, this is our now sun spray, and I'm going to add some fractionated coconut oil to it as well. Come on camera, it's not playing nice today. But fractionated coconut oil to the bottle. Some people add witch hazel, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but we just top that up. And that becomes a soothing spray that you can put on when needed. So you can add this on a couple of times a day when your body's just feeling a little sore and red and hot. And again, the peppermint oil's in there, so it's going to keep it really nice and fresh and cool. So yeah, I will go and just relax a bit, but oh my goodness, can't believe it. Naughty mummy. Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. We had such a fun day today, didn't we?
No.
Oh. Someone's tired and grumpy, mummy's tired and grumpy, so we're just gonna have a little rest, aren't we? Watch some TV and relax. Alright. Make sure you like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel to see more of us. So see ya. Yeah, we'll keep watching the beach videos. We've been replaying. Alright, say bye.